Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing homemade jalapeno poppers on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. You can also cook these in your regular oven. It's just easier in the Ninja. But you know, it's around the holiday seasons, you're looking for an appetizer or something like that. This is great, and who cares if a holiday jalapeno poppers are always good anytime. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so here is what we got. We have 6 regular jalapenos. These ones are actually pretty good size. I would suggest getting the bigger ones, and this is gonna be really simple. So we got that, a thing of Philadelphia cream cheese, and some bacon. All right, so use whatever bacon you want. First thing to do is we're gonna go ahead and cut the jalapenos in half. So we got 6, so this is gonna make 12. All right, now the insides, you just want to go ahead and get the insides out, the seeds and everything. If you want to leave some seeds in there, it just makes it a little spicier, but super easy. Hollow those out. All right, and then what we're going to do next is go ahead and grab your cream cheese. Now, put the cream cheese out on the counter for about 15-20 minutes and get it soft. It makes it easier to work with. Grab some cream cheese, put it in there, fill it perfectly, just like that. And then we're going to grab some bacon. The bacon, I'm using this. You can use whatever you want. All right, so we got the bacon unwrapped. Now, what I like to do with the bacon, throw it in the freezer for about 20 minutes and firm it up just a little bit. Makes it a little easier to work with. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and grab a piece of bacon. We're gonna grab our popper just like this and start on the back end, or the thickest part, like this. And then wrap that once, and then just go right down the whole jalapeno. Just like that, super easy. And that's what we're gonna do to all of these. So I showed you how to do one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of these up and finish these. We'll be right back to cook them. See you then. All right, guys, so we are all done wrapping these up. If you want to, you could throw some seasoning, some barbecue seasoning, some pepper, some whatever you like, if you like, but I'm just gonna leave them like this. And the bacon, they left me, there's usually 12 pieces in the thing of bacon, but they shorted me 2. I'm gonna have to write somebody. You can't be shorting people on their dang bacon, that's for sure. Anyway, I'll throw these in also because these are still good anyway. But we're gonna go ahead and cook these up. We'll see you at the Ninja. All right, guys, so we are at the Ninja. Very, very simple. We're gonna be using the grill grate in here, obviously with the drip pan below. First thing, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We are going to pick the bake function. We're gonna go up to 375. This won't take too long. We'll set it for 15 minutes. We'll press start. It's gonna preheat, give it a few minutes. We'll throw these things on. See you then. All right, guys, it's been maybe 2 minutes. As you can see, it says add food, so it's done preheating. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. And it's pretty hot. Now, go ahead and place these actually any way that you want. I'm just gonna place them, you know, put them all over the place. Get them in there. Yeah, and these are a favorite. I'll tell you, if you make these around Christmas, Thanksgiving, you know, if you have people over, these will go fast. So you can make these in bunches. Like I said, you could throw these in the oven if you want to do a huge or a whole lot of these. You could definitely throw these in the oven on 400, about 20 minutes or so. Just a little easier in here. So got those in there, looking good, and all we gotta do is drop the top. We got it set for 15 minutes. It usually doesn't take that. We'll be back, show you exactly how long it takes. See you then. All right, guys, we're on the countdown. 3, 2, 1, done. So we're gonna take a peek. They should be done. So a whole 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, they are looking absolutely amazing. Yes. Oh, that is hot. Got the cream cheese popping out. You know, I like the bacon a little crispier, especially up top. Not a big deal. Let's go ahead and close this thing up. Well, actually, we'll go back on bake. This is probably going to need another 3 minutes. So we'll go 375. And well, we'll just leave it at 20, but it'll be about 3 more minutes. So we'll see you in just a minute. All right, guys, we're counting down. 3, 2, 1. Additional 3 minutes. Absolutely perfect. These things are amazing. Oh man, the bacon is perfectly crispy and cooked. All of it. Oh, yes, so good. Hear that sizzle? That is awesome. All right, we're gonna take these to the cutting board, get a bite, and I got something to say. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and these look absolutely amazing. I mean, I don't even know which one to try first, but the bacon is cooked perfectly. Everything is good, and whew, let's give them a shot. Jalapeno poppers. Man. Alright, so that is how you do jalapeno poppers on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Remember, you can do the same recipe, put them in the oven for about 400 degrees, about 20-25 minutes. Here, super easy, prep time, about 10 minutes. In the Ninja, we had to add 3 minutes, so about 18 minutes in the Ninja on 375. Done. Great for the holidays. I guarantee you, these will be, if you make these, they'll be one of the first things off the table for sure. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff. And with that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.